If you are working on YouTube channel, you just make videos and upload it on your YouTube channel. In return, you gain not enough views on your videos. What are the reason? Why? There are different reasons behind it, but one of the most important reason is you are not doing SEO of your videos. So in today's video, I am going to discuss with you what is SEO, what are the different benefits of doing SEO of our videos, and what are the different tools that we can use for doing SEO of our videos. So if you are interested to learn all these things, so this video is very special for you. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalam O Alikum friends. May Allah Almighty bless you, all of you, where you are in the world, and you are safe and secure. Amin. Amin. In today's video, I am going to discuss with you what is SEO, what are the benefits of doing SEO, and what are the different tools that we can use for doing SEO of our videos. So if you are new here, a warm welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel Earning Tips for You. Don't forget to subscribe with bell icon so you will get the latest video notification first of all. And if you are a returning subscriber, so I am very thankful for all of you for coming this video. In today's video, first of all, try to understand what is SEO. SEO basically, first try to understand some background. YouTube and Google. Google is first top search engine in the world, and YouTube is second search engine in the world. Because my video is related to YouTube, so I am giving you an example of YouTube. For example, in YouTube search, when we type something, for example anything, when we search in YouTube, so in return YouTube show us different videos in YouTube search. So why YouTube showing us different videos in when we type some question or some query? This is because of SEO. So if someone is making a videos and just upload it on the channel without doing SEO, so YouTube algorithm do not detect on which topic the video is, and definitely at the result the video will not show in YouTube search. So at the end, no views, and if channel is monetized, so definitely no earning. So to grow our channel, we must do SEO of our videos. Now try to understand, if someone make a video and do proper SEO of the videos when he was uploading the video. Later on I am going to discuss what is SEO, but now try to understand some background, some brief introduction. So when someone do proper SEO of the videos and then upload, so YouTube algorithm detect on which topic the video is. So when someone type the same keywords in YouTube search, so in the result the creator which upload videos by using SEO strategy, so definitely the videos will show in YouTube search. So that's some brief introduction about SEO search. Now try to understand what is SEO. Basically SEO consists of four different parts. The first part of the SEO is title of our videos. Second part of the SEO is the description of our videos. Third part of SEO is the thumbnail of our videos. Fourth part of the SEO is the tags which we are using in our videos. These are the four different parts on which SEO based. Now try to understand on each of the topic, title, tag, description, thumbnail. I will upload a detailed videos that how we can write title of our videos, how we can write description of our videos, what kind of thumbnail are required for SEO, and what kind of keywords and tags which we must use in our videos. So it will help us to gain maximum number of views. I will upload a detailed videos on each of the topic, but in today's video I am just giving you a brief introduction. Second part of the today videos, what are the benefits of doing SEO of videos. So when we upload videos by using proper SEO of our videos, so in result we gain maximum views on our videos through YouTube search. And when some creator gain views through YouTube search, so definitely if channel is monetized, so maximum earning will be given by the creator, given to the creator if gain views through YouTube search. So that's the benefit of doing SEO. We can get maximum number of views on our videos. A third part of the today video is what are the different tools that we can use for doing SEO of our videos. So try to understand there are a lot of tools exist regarding SEO of YouTube videos. So in today's video, my main objective is to give you some different tools, different websites that we can use for doing SEO of our videos. Try to understand all these websites are paid websites. They are not free. But initial 1 month trial is free. We are able to use some limited features of each of the website. So let's move towards left of screen. So I'm going to show with you all of these different tools that we can use for doing SEO of our videos. So guys, now we are on laptop screen, and here I open Google and I type best SEO tools for YouTube. Here different websites are showing in front of me, but I am going to click on the first website. The link of this website is also available in the description of this video as well. The title is 26 top YouTube to SEO tools to boost your reach and ranking. Everything written here is in very easy way to understand. So it is my personal recommendation and suggestion to you, whenever you will come here, please read everything written here and understand it. These are the 26 SEO tools that people are using to rank their videos, but the most important and frequently used, the best results giving tools are these first 7 tools, which are I mark these 7 tools. First one is TubeBuddy. It's paid tool. Second one is YouTube Analytics. It's free, we can use it. Third one is vidIQ. Again, it's paid. YouTube Auto Suggested, it is free tool. Google Keyword Planner, it's free tool. And Keyword Tool.io, it's paid tool. And Rank Tracker, it is again a paid tool. The rest of the tools which are showing here, some are free but mostly are paid tools. The free tools are not too much efficient in terms of growth of our channel, but the paid tools are highly recommended, and mostly people are using these tools as well. So that's all about in today's video. These are the tools which we can use for SEO of our videos. Inshallah, I will make detailed video on TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Google Keyword Planner, Keyword tool.io, and some other tools as well, that how they works and how we can use it. So that's all about in today's video. It's an introduction. So see you soon in some next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.